Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that it looks like the play to earn games are the catalyst right now for the bullish market, and this is probably the next trend which can be push the bull market even higher. The second thing I want to talk about is that investors throw record cash behind blockchain firms in 2021 so far. And the third thing is that US Senator warns passing unproven crypto law will stifle innovation and make Americans poorer, which means there are senators, they disagree with the present law they would like to push through. So guys, all this in today's video. If you would like to keep yourself up to date, very important, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. Only thing you have to do, subscribe, bell button, all, and that's it. And you're getting the notifications. And also, check out the links under the video. I have a free course for you, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Useful, advices. What you actually must do before you invest in crypto. Very, very important. If you're new to the game, definitely check it out, download it. It's totally free. And check out the other links as well, because they can help you a lot too. And when we're looking at the market, we can see that we had a great weekend, by the way. And right now, Bitcoin is 43,752 US dollar, about the 2.5% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum went down a bit more, 6%. Right now, just under 3,000, 2,944. When we're looking at the winners of the last 24 hours, we see XDC 26% up, Helium 7%, Holo 7%, and some of the others here. Not major gains, a kind of, bit balance on both sides. We have among the losers, Shiba Inu had the lead with almost 12% down, Dogecoin going 7% down, Sushi Swap 9%. Well, this should actually swap places. Yes, when we're looking at basically here the Bitcoin chart, we can see that one very important thing has happened, at least on the weekend, which is that I was talking about this 200-day moving average. And this is here the blue line. And now what has happened was that actually we have touched it and slightly crossed it. But in my opinion, this is not enough for this bullish period. First, we really have to go through it, close above it, and then stay above it, and then the growth can continue. We can very soon reach 50,000 when this is happening, but we do need this to happen, which is very good that we had a higher high, higher low, then again a higher high, and if this is going to continue, we can have a lovely second part of this year, and then we can truly say that this whatever happened in the last couple of months was just a big correction, a bearish period in a bull market. Just like there was a bullish period in the bear market back in 2019 in the summer. Right. So yeah, so far so good, but we definitely must stay above this 200-day moving average in long term, and then we can call it bullish again. And now let's move on to the first thing I would like to talk about, and this is about that play to earn games could be the catalyst, and are basically the catalyst for the next bullish move. So let's talk about that. There is definitely a new hype in this NFT DeFi era, and this is about the play to earn games. And in this article, they're discussing many things, but just let's talk about this new hype, because it looks like this could be the new catalyst. So a lot of people say it's decentralized finance, DeFi season. So this is. And it can't even, I can't even argue otherwise with them, because the fact are there for all to see. DeFi-based non-fungible token, so NFT games, are pumping to record highs, and they continue to get a lot of people adopting and playing them, which makes one wonder what exactly is the motivation factor behind games and crypto enthusiasts flocking in the thousands and spending hours every day playing these games. Yeah, the question is good. Why? Well, the answer is simple, really. It's because these people not only have fun while playing, but they also earn reward during the game. What's more, these are not just in-game results. These rewards can be exchanged for fiat currency and can be spent in real life. The video game industry is currently growing through a massive growth pace. Today, the industry valued at around 170 billion US dollar and is expected to surge to 268 billion worldwide over the next 5 years. So, play to earn games and developing countries. This is very important because, from Western countries, the richer countries, put it this way, it's just fun. But think about poorer countries. So it sounds shocking and maybe even funny, but this is the reality. An average player can earn around 450 SLP per month, which is around 1,200 US dollar. As a result, people in countries like the Philippines and Vietnam are quitting their day jobs to dedicate themselves to playing Axie, for instance. Axie states that there are more than 350,000 daily active players on the platform. That might sound ridiculous to some people, especially non-gamers, but the beautiful thing about this is that it helped a lot of people through the financial struggles caused by the ongoing global COVID-19 pandemic. Well, have you thought about that before? Playing a game saves your life, especially in countries where actually people are really suffering. Their yearly salary is much lower than in the Western countries. And look, these guys quitting their jobs, playing games and making money, and this helped their families. So actually, this is the beauty in these games and beauty of this industry. In many ways, it can actually help. And some people even having fun, like it. And then this is just the bonus, or other way around, they're making money and the bonus is that they really like the game. So this is definitely an industry we should keep an eye on, because this could be huge in the next coming month, especially when everything turns to bullish. Right, now let's move on to the next news. The next one is about that investors have thrown record cash behind blockchain firms so far in 2021. Even we have this, bearish period now since end of April, put it this way, May, end of April, it has started really, and now prices really went down. It looks like investors just simply don't care, because investors throw record cash behind blockchain firms in 2021. VC investments, venture capital investments into crypto over the first 6 months, so in 2021, have already more than doubled those witnessed in all previous years combined. How crazy is that? So we have the VC investors here, and they have put in the first 6 months, and which included definitely this bearish May, June period, more money into in the crypto industry, blockchain firms, than all the years combined. So despite the recent slightly recovery of the crypto market, there are no denying the fact that the crypto industry has been faced with a great deal of volatility over the last few months, made evident that the total market capitalization sector that dipped from 2.5 trillion to 1.18 trillion. Though all these ups and downs, however, 2021 has continued to see an increasing amount of capital entering in the fast evolving space. For example, reports indicate that over the first half of the year alone, venture capital funds poured 17 billion into various crypto-related startups and companies. To put things in perspective, the above stated figure is by far most witnessed in a single year and is nearly equal to the total amount raised in all previous years combined. Johnny Liu, the CEO of the cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin, told Telegraph, early stage investors of cryptocurrency have already achieved profitability and have a deep understanding of development rules of the market. This is the key reason why they are willing to invest despite the market fluctuation. So what they have experienced, they have already made money. They are in profit. They see a great future in it. They keep putting money in. You know, huge difference between the previous years and this year, and even 2020. This is a big change how the institutional investors basically entered into the market and keep entering. The banks appeared, and now we're talking about regulation, not banning crypto. Okay, we can talk about some countries and areas of the world, but this is not a general statement. And when we're talking about regulation, it means they would like to definitely have crypto around. Like it or not, they have to do it this way. They just have to regulate it. And therefore, now big investors thinking and funds, and as you can see here, the VC investors also, that it's time to invest into this market because it can grow huge. And early investors are the ones which make the biggest gains. So actually, this all looks very promising. Okay, so the third thing I want to talk about is about the US senator who warns passing unproven crypto law why stifle innovation and make American poorer. This is what his warning is, and let's talk about it in more details. So we have senators. They actually for, and some of them are against this new law they would like to push through. And US Senator Mike Lee has raised concerns that adopting crypto tax provision in the 1.2 trillion infrastructure bill will stifle innovation and make Americans poorer. He explained that cryptocurrencies are not like securities and cannot be regulated with the same policies. Nothing that to do so would drive innovation offshore. He noted that the crypto provision seeks to require those who buy and sell cryptocurrency to treat it the same way as they would exchange of securities. However, the senator argued that the cryptocurrencies are very different than securities. He added that these aren't just stocks. It's something very different. It's a medium of exchange that, it adopted more widely, could facilitate a lot of economic activity and a lot of innovation with the United States of America. And yeah, what he's also saying, if in fact we pass this bill, mark my word, is going to have a chilling effect on innovation within this sector. Places outside the United States may well be the ones to reap the benefit associated with the laws here in the United States if we adopt an unproven, untested, unknown strategy. He warned that the government is trying to adopt many decades-old regulatory policies to a completely new form of exchange, one that, by the way, values very highly the privacy of those who exchange in it. Bottom line, there are people, they believe there in the Senate that this is definitely not a good idea to put that kind of old-fashioned rules into crypto. They have to come up with new ways, and if they do so, what they're aiming to do with this bill, then they can put the United States really back in this game, back in innovation, and the United States cannot take an advantage on it. And other countries could do can have a great opportunity, and then it will be very, very bad for the US in the long term if they totally left out. However, if they let this industry grow, then they can participate in it. And look, China has banned Bitcoin already. Oh, sorry, no. Okay, great. Ban Bitcoin mining in some areas of China. Put it straight. And actually, the United States has a great opportunity now in this global game. But it's very important what's their next step. And there are many people in the US, they see this new one a great opportunity, and they would like to participate in this innovation. And this, this bill they would like to push through, it's actually not really helping this. Okay, so we will see what will happen. But it's good to see that we have people from the other side as well with other opinion, because that's actually definitely crucial. But whatever happening, crypto, Bitcoin is not going anywhere, because this is just about the US, which is major, which is big, but there we have also the rest of the world as well. Guys, that's it for today. Smash the like button if you like this kind of content, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to get this information every weekday. Subscribe, bell button, that's it what you have to do, and then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Tomorrow, I'm back with another video, and then I'll wish you a great day. Have a good one. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.